airplanes to drop flowers and prayer petition directly to Senor Santo Niño while crossing along the Mactan-Cebu Harbor Channel and passing the Birin Sarigla Shrine all the way to CCLEX. For more blessings from Senor Santo Niño, we urge the devotees to send flowers and prayer petition already packed in sacks so that it will be easier for the pilot to drop it directly to Senor Santo Niño. You can drop your flowers at Basilica Santo Niño, Indiana Condo del Apostolic Street, and St. Therese of Lisieux, St. Nancy, inside IEU Mactan Campus, or call 0917-8869-849. Thank you.
Atensyon, siya ng Pilipino o sila si Julia, ang imong lula ng paabot sa Chowking. Siya ng Pilipino o si Julia, ang imong lula si Jennifer Pilipino ng paabot sa Chowking.